Find a comfortable place and body position where you can completely relax for the next 20 minutes. Perhaps you are on a blanket at the beach or in the grass. Maybe a recliner in your living room. Somewhere you feel safe and can allow your mind and body to completely let go of any stress, tension, or distractions. Be sure to bolster any body part that feels discomfort, perhaps a pillow under the head or underneath the knees. Now close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in and exhale it out just as slowly. Bring your attention to your hips and allow them to relax and let the feet naturally fall to the side. Bring your attention to your legs and have them feel heavy and sink into the ground. Bring your attention to your arms and allow them to feel heavy and sink. If you are unsure if a body part is tensed or relaxed, tense it up and release it. Teach your body what it feels like to be relaxed. Allow your head to feel heavy and sink. Now take a deep breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your inhale, imagine your lungs filling completely, and the exhale empties them completely. Now clear your mind. If a thought comes in, you simply let it pass. And if you find it hard to control your monkey mind, bring your attention back to your breath. Now I want you to bring your attention to your red root chakra, located at the base of your spine. Is it vibrant or dull in color? Is it moving or still? Do you feel like you need to send energy there or calm it down? Allow your mind to control this energy center. Now move your attention upward to your orange sacral chakra, located a few inches below your navel. Take note of the amount of movement. Do you feel you need to slow it down or feed it energy? Is the color vibrant or dull? Allow your mind to focus on this energy center and adjust it accordingly. Now bring your attention to your yellow solar plexus chakra, located a few inches above the navel. What does it look like? Is it fast, slow, bright, or dull? Use your mind to control this energy center. Bring it to a state that makes you feel balanced. Now move your attention to your green heart chakra. How does it appear to you? Observe for a moment and allow your mind to adjust and control this energy center to help you feel more balanced. Move your attention to your blue throat chakra. Be mindful of how this energy center looks and how it makes you feel. Take control of this chakra and adjust it however it needs, whatever makes you feel balanced. Move on to your violet third eye chakra. Once again, give it your attention and adjust to create balance for your system. Finally, bring your attention to your crown chakra at the top of your skull. What color is it? Is it a deep purple, white, maybe gold? How is it making you feel? Using the mind to help bring balance to this chakra. Maybe it moves differently than the other energy centers. Adjust it to whatever brings you a sense of positivity. Now bring your attention back to that red root chakra. Imagine a stream of light that starts at the root and moves through that orange sacral, the yellow solar plexus, the green heart, the blue throat, the purple third eye, and finally to the crown. The energy moves back down and allows all the centers to be in balance. As you inhale deeply, the energy moves up through all the chakra centers, and then exhale, the energy moves down. Again, clear your mind and allow your thoughts to move in and out of your consciousness. Nice and gently, you're going to wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. Slowly bring life back into your body. You can bend your knees and bring them to your chest. And gently rock them side to side. And then rub your palms together and place them over your eyes. Moving the heel of your hand across your eyebrow and awaken your mind and open your eyes. And we can close here. and namaste.